Alright, welcome to today's install and product box opening and fun. I am not in the best place. You're gonna hear a lot of road noise if I use any of the sound, so I apologize for that. It's Friday and today starts spring break for me, so I want to get this on. But it's also Friday, which means a lot of people are driving by and not fun. The front of our house is very loud on certain times of the day, and this is one of those. The back of the house is better, but I wanted to be on concrete to do this for obvious reasons, so I'm going to need a ladder. This vehicle is a lot higher than my Wrangler, so I've got the old trusty ladder, and we're going to mount this up an awning. And we'll talk more about why I chose this one and all that good stuff later. So let's get this going. The box came cracked open, but I don't see any damage right here, so we're gonna keep going with it. Cut. So right off the bat, the first thing I dislike is all this writing all over this crap. I'm all right with you putting Vevor on it, but all that crap is crap. So we'll figure out a way to cover it, get rid of it, something. Yeah, big dislike, huge dislike, enormous dislike, to the point where I'm wondering if I want to keep it. Yeah, this doesn't cut it for me.
So I do want to jump in here and say that if you do look at the item description and the pictures and everything, it does show that that big orange writing is on there. So it's not really a misleading thing. Even though I dislike it, they did not cover up that it's not on there. I mean, it plainly shows it there on the side of the awning. So just want to make sure that yes, I hate it, but it's not like they try to tell you that it wasn't on there. So just wanted to jump in here and say that just to be clear.
This doesn't cut it for a lot of people. Yeah, I know you were cheap. It doesn't mean you have to advertise for free on your thing. Alright, these are just bolts and things. I don't need that right now. Number two, it did not bring the, I'm missing it, not in there. It's got the bolt. There we go. All right. That was going to be the end. That would have been the end of that one. All right. So we're putting this up there. Let's get it. All right, now the train's gonna block, so that's gonna be good. If it stops, it blocks the sound of all the cars on. You see all the cars going by. So I've got my fishing thing off. Oh gosh. And I was just gonna drill. I was just gonna drill holes right here and put it in like that. There's a little something under there, right? Just drill 2 holes straight down, have it out away from the car. Now the cool thing is, if it doesn't work like that, I can make it like that. Now it's stopping. And then it's quiet, so quiet. Unless he backs up, or he didn't go far enough forward. Okay, so yeah, I can put it like this, and if the door doesn't open, because here's the door right here, so if it's hanging too low, it might scratch on it. I can always flip it over and put it like that. So either way, the hole's going to be in the right place, so let's go with that. I don't know why I brought the instructions for, but put this way. Put this way. This was my thoughts here. Vevor. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Don't want to tighten these. I'm going to put these on loose. Then we go down and see. Like this clearance here is good. We can come further, but not by much. But then this clearance here, where do we want it? I think I want to scooch it forward some, because when I put on the awning room, so just a little bit this way. That is horrible, horrible. Shame on you. I don't know if you can read it. Shame on them. All right, let's scooch it this way some. All right, so you can see where it's at here. It's hitting right here at this door. So my final one's gonna be a little bit further back, and I think that's gonna be good. Yeah, we got plenty of spot there. All right, well, the sun's in the wrong place, but it's up. It's nice. And I put an old piece of vinyl wrap crap that I had just to see if it would work, and it did. So I think what I'll do later, rip that off, see how it handles up there, and then rip it off, put something flat hard that I can actually bear down on, and you know, not have all these little bulges and things like that. But truthfully, I'd rather see this bulgy stuff than that big orange advertisement that they put on there. So next thing to do is take it out and see how it looks all unfolded. That'll be next.